Good morning, Sabine. You want to do the intro of this video?
No, thank you. I don't wanna. I wanna pack the shit up and go.
Alright. Somehow, some way. But, well, the morning is very rainy and foggy and misty. This day doesn't look so promising in this side of the Europe, here in Switzerland. And that's why we are going somewhere else. And that somewhere else is Italy, of course. It's quite a short drive. It's about two and a half hours to reach the small town of Domodossola, where our main plan today is to dry out our tent, organize and reorganize properly our car, shave, clean, etc. Finally eat somewhere out in the restaurant, and if there is any time left, then we decided, of course, to visit some of the landmarks over there in Domodossola. So, enough said, let's finish the packing and I'll see you in Italy, or at least on the road to Italy. Well, buongiorno everybody. We have finally arrived in Italy, where we are gonna enjoy these beautiful pizzas that we just got. I think this one is yours.
Yes.
So you had like anchovies and like a lot of cheese on it. And what do I have? Wow, I have cheap like onions, salami, some cheese, some other cheese. So very delicious meal it's gonna be. And when we came here from Switzerland, it was raining really hard. It was like very stormy, and right now it's plus 26 degrees. It only gets more hot, and it's like a positive sign because we don't expect any rain, at least not today and tomorrow, so that's a good change.
Yes.
Yeah, basically first we're gonna devour this pizza and then walk around this place of Domodossola, it's called, right over the border of Switzerland, and we're gonna try to hike up to a certain sanctuary that is on UNESCO list of heritage. But yeah, I guess we talk more when we get over there. So, bon appetit! Sacre Monti, or the Sacred Mount of Calvary of Domodossola, and This place is one of the 9 places, like I mentioned earlier, in the region of Piedmont and Lombardy. In general, this place is sort of a replacement to the sacred pilgrimage to Jerusalem, but you can do one over here as well. It began kind of like in 15th, 16th century, if I'm correct, and it was basically in order to have the counter-reformation movement that spread from Italy to rest of the Europe. What makes it a Calvary or a sacred mount is this combination of chapels and churches and other structures that we saw over here on the way up, and that then basically makes a Calvary. Perhaps I mixed something up. In that case, I will put it on the screen, and of course everybody can make a mistake when reading that much information. And besides that, check out the beautiful view from over here. It is stunning, even in a weather like this. We have the Alpine mountains here in the background. River, the name of which I don't know, which also seems pretty dried up. So this was generally the biggest landmark here in Domodossola. Now we're gonna go back downstairs to the town and get some drinks, hopefully, and also visit the most famous piazza over there, Piazza de Mercado. launch a drone from here was somewhat futile because we were literally surrounded by kids that were really happy to see the drone. Probably or possibly we're gonna try to relaunch it a little bit later, but first of all, like, we're really dying of thirst. So there is like this kind of like place that we saw. Maybe grab a drink over here. Yeah?
Yeah.
Thumbs up? So ladies and gentlemen, we're having our second cocktail right now. 2 Negronis, actually. Afterwards we're gonna take a look for the rest of the old town of Domodossola. Try to get the drone up in the air for one more time. The battery life has decreased dramatically because I left my camera turned on. There is not a lot of battery left, so just in case the battery life cuts me off, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.